Hello friends, we are actually discussing different case studies related to artificial intelligence and how they are actually used in medicine. Actually, we have already seen that artificial intelligence is changing how the treatment was done, right? And it is automating so many process in medical field, diagnosis, and so on. In the previous case study, we saw how the software called as Neon's software, an AI-based software, was able to manage a huge amount of medical data and was able to improvise automatically customer experience, then customer retention, and in turn improve the revenue of the organization, right? So in today's case study, we are going to see how artificial intelligence is used in the medical diagnosis. So it is found that medical imaging and the diagnosis powered by AI should witness more than 40% growth to surpass 2.5 billion US dollars by 2024. It was said by Global Market Insights. So we can see that the neural networks and deep learning is revolutionizing the medical diagnosis industry. So one such example of artificial intelligence in medical diagnosis is in MRI scans. So we can see that the MRI scan analysis is very difficult due to its lot of information that it consists of. So for MRI scan analysis, it takes several hours, like 2 hours, 7 hours, and so on. And also, it is very difficult for a doctor to write a report based on the MRI scans. Sometimes there is a chance of a doctor or technician to miss some information on the MRI scan and not include that information in the report or write the report wrongly. So there is a requirement here from artificial intelligence to really automate this MRI scan analysis. And also, if the researcher want to formulate or get the result from this large data set of MRI, then the researcher has to wait several hours. For this, from MIT, they gave a solution on deep learning called as voxel morph. They actually created a convolutional neural network. So, convolutional neural network, it was trained. It was trained with more than 7,000 MRI scans, and it was able to give the result in some seconds. But the same analysis takes over 2 hours for a conventional MRI analysis program. So voxel morph was a conventional convolutional neural network. So in any neural network, there is a input is given from one side, and then the neural network goes into different transformation before it finds the result based on the which node is activated. It is called as with respect to the bias. So to know what is bias and what is meant by a node, then you have to study the neural network. So here in this case, we can see how neural network was able to help the medical diagnosis. It was able to automate the medical diagnosis of MRI scans, and likewise, AI has applications in other medical imaging field also, like CT scan analysis, X-ray analysis, right? And then PET analysis, PET scan analysis. So in any analysis where it is much time consuming, AI is able to make it within very short time, and also it is able to give the efficient information because AI is or neural network is being trained with a lot of data. So AI, we can see how AI is actually transforming the medical diagnosis industry. Okay, so in today's case study, we saw how a convolutional neural network called as Voxel Moth developed by MIT was able to do the MRI scan analysis very fast. Okay, so in forthcoming case study, we will see how AI can be used in other parts of the medical industry. So thank you for